How to fix login error in Icflix. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and make sure it's connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to go to your Safari, and here you want to create your new tab, and on the new tab you want to search Icflix and tap on Icflix sign up over here. Here you want to scroll down and you'll see an official Icflix channels website over here, and you want to tap on add app over here. After that, it will ask for your email and password over here. Simply type in your email, your password, and simply tap on sign in to be logged in into your account. And if you are facing any kinds of problem in the application, you can simply uninstall the app and install the app again to solve the issues. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.